Namaste. Today is the Constitution Day of India. On this day, the Constitution of India was formally adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India. Today we will see some facts about the Constitution of India. As we all know, the Constitution of India is written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. The original copies of the Constitution were written in Hindi and English. The Constitution of India is considered to be the longest and the lengthiest constitution of any sovereign nation in the whole world. With 448 articles and 12 schedules, the lengthiest constitution was not typed or printed. It was handwritten by Prem Bihari Naren Raizada in the flowing italic style. Each page of the Constitution was uniquely decorated by the artists from Shantiniketan. The Constituent Assembly of India took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to come up with the final draft of the Constitution. The women in India finally got the right to vote when the Indian Constitution came in act. The Indian Constitution is inspired by several nations. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity comes from the French Constitution. Our Indian preamble is inspired by the USA preamble. They both began with "We the people." The 5-year plan is adopted by the USSR Constitution. The laws governing the Supreme Court is adopted by the Japanese Constitution. And the suspension of the fundamental rights, as in the emergency, are adopted from the Weimar Constitution of Germany. In so many years, the Constitution of India underwent a very few amendments. In so many crucial times and hard times, the Constitution of India stood firm. To this great Samvidan and great India, Jai Hind.